Okay, good morning to all. In previous class, we described about the inverse trigonometric functions and their derivatives and simplification of inverse trigonometric functions by chain rule. Now, today class we are going to discussing the solvation of inverse trigonometric functions by remaining two methods. One is simplification of trigonometric formulas and second one is substitutions. And first one is what is that? Simplification of simplification of trigonometric formulas. Trigonometric functions. So before going to the class, we need to just recall all the trigonometric formulas which is most important for all problems. What are the means? The first one is very most important. 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. This is the one formula is very most important. Again, for this one application, 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Again, 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. The off angle taking means 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. This is the four formulas are using it very well. After that was in 1 plus sin 2a. 1 plus sin 2a, it is the formula of what is that? Cos a plus sin a whole square. How we get means 1 you can be written as cos square a plus sin square a, and sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. Then it converted into the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is that means? This one I can be written as cos square a plus sin square a. Again sin 2a I can written as the formula of sin 2a 2 sin a cos a. Then just observe it is looking like a square plus b square in the place of a cos a, in the place of b sin a. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. Using of this formula I can written that was. Next one is after that, similarly 1 plus sin a is equal to cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 off angle formula whole square. Again 1 minus sin 2a is equal to cos a minus sin a whole square. Again 1 minus sin a is equal to cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 whole square. These are the formulas are using it very well for everywhere simplification. Okay, so most of the questions can be including these are the formulas of the class. So what is the using of this one means, while you are solving of the simplification, you can apply these formulas in everywhere. Say now I am observing written the question is one. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos a by sin a. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos a by sin a is the problem is given. It can be simplified and solved by chain rule also. Okay. What is the how can you chain rule? Because first function is tan inverse function, second function is 1 minus cos a by sin a, again it is ub. So how can you that was 1 by 1 plus 1 minus cos a by sin a whole square into d by dx. If you go for the directly chain rule, what will be you getting? dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 minus cos a by sin a whole square into d by dx of 1 minus cos a by sin a. Okay, you can get in the answer by this method is also, but see, while simplification it is very lengthy, because you need to find a minus b whole square sin square come to here and upward again u by v, it is becoming lengthy. But here you can apply the what is the simplification of this method, then you can get in the answer is very easily. How can you see? Just observe solution. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos a by sin a. Okay, very good. Now apply this formula here, 1 minus cos a. What is the formula for 1 minus cos A is equal to, that is 2 sin square, sorry, A written, X written, don't be written A, because I am going to differentiation with respect to X now, so you write down in the function variable X. So 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square X by 2 by, again sin 2A formula, that is 2 sin X by 2 cos X by 2, because sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. What is the formula? Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. So similarly, sin A can be written as in half angle formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. I applied this formula in denominator. Now you just observe this 2 cancel. 1 square and 1 sin is cancelled. That is tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is equal to tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2 is equal to x by 2. Now you go for the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, derivative of x is 1. So very simply you can get in the answer without any chain. For this problem you can apply the chain rule according to the composite function. It become a very lengthy and complicated. But if you apply the trigonometric ratio formulas and you do the simplification, then you can get in the answer very easily by 3 or 4 steps only. Actually I written this is another extra step. You no need to write on the answer. Here only sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 directly write on tan x by 2. So what you did, you just observe the first. I didn't go to the any chain rule problem. Just I am going to simplify that was using the formulas. What are the formulas I am applying here? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 and sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sin x by 2 is cancelled. Again it will become the tan x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x by 2, yesterday class I said that was both can be cancelled, but don't be cancelled in the, so x by 2. Derivative means x derivative is 1 and 1 by 2. It is easily you can be getting the derivative of this one. This is the simplification method. Now we are going to discuss another different type of problem. Just tan inverse of 1 plus sin A by cos A. Tan inverse of 1 plus sin A by cos A. This is also same type of problem only. Tan inverse of 1 plus sin A by cos A. Here the one problem. Very most important problem this is also. Now, how can I simplify this? Means solution is y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay. Now, I converted this as y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus sin A means using of this formula. This is, sorry, I have written every time is in the s, but you are going to derivative in x now. So sin x. So 1 plus sin x can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, whole divided by cos 2a formula. From this one you can get in the cos 2a formula. Again you have that was another cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square. These are all formulas you learned in first year. So this can be written in here. So cos a can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse of, it can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square by a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So what will happen is square, this is can be cancelled. So finally you getting y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In your first year, you are learning this method is that. What is that? In numerator and denominator is containing the terms of cos theta, sin theta, plus or minus symbol change means. You can see in first year you can be in CBSE and CHSE both. You have the one problem, cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. What is that means? In numerator is also combination of the function of cos and sin, and denominator also combination of the functions cos and sin. but opposite in sign. In these cases, you need to go to divided the numerator and denominator with first function cos x by 2. You need to divide the numerator and denominator with cos x by 2 divided. Then what you can get in y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 whole by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. So finally what you get in that was y is equal to tan inverse of the numerator cos cancel 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. This is the formula of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is tan inverse of tan of 45 degrees means pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is also that was simplified. So y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now you go to the differentiation with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi by 4 is constant 0 and this derivative is 1 by 2. That is answer is 1 by 2. Okay. So see here what you will do, it is a very simplified that you have the formulas. If you, this is cannot be making the complicated. So what is the simplification means using of the trigonometric formulas. These are the trigonometric formulas are there which is you learned in first year in trigonometric ratios and compound angles and multiple and submultiple angles. Again transformation. There is a 4 topics are there in trigonometry. Then you learn these all formulas. Using of these formulas only you can be simplify the problems and finally you get the answers. Okay. This is a one type of problem. Here you will observe that was is existence according to the value of x. You can be convert the formulas according to the x. Here in CBSE textbooks in R.D. Sharma, that means CBSE cases in a textbooks, then he will be mentioned that x values lies in which areas. But according to the CHSE textbook, he given that directly. That means it is existence for differentiation for that domain. Respective domain like that, he can be given questions. Okay. This is the problem related to the what is that? This is the problem related to the according to what is that simplification method. And the final one we are going to discussing substitution method, the very most important topic, very most important method for everywhere in differentiation, in inverse trigonometry function, in integration, in calculus. This is using the class. What is that? By substitution. By substitution. Here some fundamental functions are there to using the substitutions. What are that means? If the problems you see function, then substitutions. So what is the function? What is the substitution? First function is if in the formula of a square minus x square. Root over a square minus x square is a function is there. If there the substitution x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. If the problem is in the form of root of a square minus x square, then the substitution x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. If it is in the form of a square plus x square, then x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. If the substitution is in the form of x square minus a square, then x is equal to a sec theta or a cosec theta. This is the fundamental of 3 formulas. Now, if the problem is in the model of root over a plus x or 1 plus x, you have a model of 1 plus x or root over 1 minus x or root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x or root over 1 plus x plus root over 1 minus x. In such functions are, see here everywhere you can determine that the terms of x square, but if there is nothing x square, it is only x. In such cases, if substitution x is equal to cos 2 theta or cos theta, cos 2 theta or cos theta. Okay. Again, if the problem is in the form of 2x by 1 minus x square or 2x by 1 plus x square or 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square or 1 minus x by 1 plus x or 1 plus x by 1 minus x without any root. If these all are the completely linked with the root, but here nothing any roots are. If these are the substitution is x is equal to tan theta. So these are the main fundamental and proper substitutions we can use in the while simplification of the problems. So what are the simplification is? First one is if root over a square minus x square, then you need to take that x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. If root over a square plus x square without root also, a square plus x square, then x is equal to a tan theta, a cot theta. See, in the place of a, if you given 1, root over 1 square minus x square, means this application only, if root over 1 minus x square, then what you will be getting? X is equal to sin theta or cos theta. Got it? Similar here, root over 1 plus x square is given, then x is equal to tan theta or cot theta, because in the place of a it is 1, again it is root over x square minus 1, then also x is equal to sec theta or cos sec theta. Okay, suppose in the place of a it is given 2, means it is 4 minus, then 2 cos sin theta, 2 cos theta, you need to take that. These are the proper substitutions. But most of you can be remember these are, it is difficult, but you think one thing, while you going to simplify the inverse trigonometric functions by substitution method, the first preference is given to the tan theta. Why sir? Tan theta means most of the trigonometric formulas are linked with the tan theta. So first preference is given to the tan theta, and second preference is given to the cos 2 theta or cos theta, because the most of problems are related with cos theta or cos 2 theta. Let's see, lot of problems which the formula is related to is, first one is tan theta and second one is cos 2 theta or cos theta. After that you can be observe the problem and derive that. So why means, see, this is the properly according to the substitution method. Now, see, we can derive some formulas. Sin 2a, there is a formula in tan theta, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Again tan 2a, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, next. Tan of pi by 4 plus a, that is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Tan of pi by 4 minus a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. So from this one you can observe that as there is a formula substitution of tan theta in sin a. Same tan a in cos 2a, tan a in tan 2a, tan a in tan. So lot of formulas are linked with the tan a. So the first preference you can give it to the tan a. Next, here written that as, see, these are all the 4 formulas which is linked with, here also linked with cos 2a. So you need to give the preference for second one is cos here, cos 2a. This is sin a, sin 2a, it is repeatedly not coming, sometime it will be coming. According to the problem you need to substitutions. So while you are going to simplify the problem, your first preference is given to the tan a, and second preference is given to the cos 2a, and third problem is given to the according to the problem. Now see, y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. Here you just observe y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. you can be simplify this problem by chain rule also. Using of the first function is sin inverse x and second function is 2x by 1 plus x square. But it is become very lengthy and complicated. But you can go for the substitution, you can be simplified easily. So what is the substitutions? I am just first one I said that was while you are going to substitution, the first preference is given to the tan theta. And in your brain, in your mind, it is must be calculate. How to calculate? If I put tan theta here, what will be happen? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It is a formula sin 2 theta. Okay, nothing to worry. Like that you need to calculate. Suppose if tan theta substitution, it is not given any formula, then you can go to the cos 2 theta or cos theta. What I said you can remember clearly. While going to the substitution, first of all substitution in the place of x tan theta. It is given any formula, it can be given look like any formula related to sin, cos, tan, then you can directly proceed. If it is not related to any formula, then you need to substitution again cos 2 theta or cos theta. Like that you need to verify. But it must be done in calculating your brain only. Now, see, I am substitution put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta means theta is equal to come to this side tan inverse of x. Substitute. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We know the formula y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by is equal to sin 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 into theta means tan inverse of x. It is very easy to find the derivative of this one. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of tan x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So the answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. Very easily you can get it. Simplify that by substitution. Okay. Now another one. In your D exercise, some question number 7 or 8. Open your textbook and D exercise question number 7c. Y is equal to cos inverse of root over 1 plus x by 2. This is the one problem is there. In CHSC textbook, in D exercise, y is equal to cos inverse of y is equal to question number 5. Y is equal to cos inverse of root over 1 plus x by 2. Y is equal to cos inverse of root over 1 plus x by 2 that was. But there you can be simplify by using the chain rule. By using the chain rule, there you can simplify by 3 functions. The first function is cos inverse, second one is root, and third one is 1 plus x by 2. First one is cos inverse, second one is root, and third one is 1 plus x by 2. It become a length. But if you simplify this is by substitution very easily. You just see, observe. Solution. Y is equal to cos inverse root over 1 plus x by 2. According to that was first solve the substitution x is equal to tan theta. 1 plus tan theta by 2, nothing, any formula. There is any formula? Nothing. So what I am saying that was then go for the substitution of cos theta, cos 2 theta. If x is equal to cos 2 theta is substitution. 1 plus cos 2 theta, there is a formula 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is a formula 2 cos square theta. So that like that you means here put x is equal to cos 2 theta or cos theta. Then it implies 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So y is equal to cos inverse of root over 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So y is equal to cos inverse root over 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 to cancel. Y is equal to cos inverse of cos theta. So y is equal to theta. What is the value of theta is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x, then you can get in dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into derivative is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So the final answer is 1 minus. See how easily you can be simplified. That is the useful of substitution method. Means the most of question you can be simplified by chain rule, but it is sometimes it is become complicated and lengthy. But if you go into the substitution method, it become very easy. What you did see in before exercise, the D exercise, you can be simplify this is by chain rule. By using of the chain rule, using of the three function. First one is cos inverse, second one is root, and third one is 1 by 1 plus x by 2. It become a lengthy. Finally you can getting the answer, but lengthy that was. But here what I did, I go to substitution x is equal to cos 2 theta. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So cos inverse of root over 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. In before class, before this concept, I derived the formulas are there. In there I written the formula 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. So 2 cos square theta by 2 cancel. Root over cos square theta is equal to cos theta. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. So 1 by 2 into cos inverse difference. Okay, this is one of the problem simplification by substitution method. Again, the very most important question for 4 marks and 6 marks, both are given. Root over tan inverse of 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x square. Actually, this is the formula, is the one of the problem from the origin problem is, this main problem is what is that? Y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x power of n plus root over 1 minus x power of n by root over 1 plus x power of n minus root over 1 minus x power of n. This is the problem coming from this concept. Here you can given any value for n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any natural number you can be given, because n belongs to capital N. Any natural number you can given. Then one problem. If you given 1 question will be coming. If you given 2, 1 question. If given 3, 1 question. Means up to the what are the values of n you can given, the answer will be coming like that. And this is also one of the question for competitive examinations. This answer you can be written directly. Directly you will be getting the answer. The what is the answer means? If what is the here x power of n means, it is the answer is n into x power of n minus 1 by root of minus of 1 minus x power of 2n. This is the fundamental rule. Directly you can be write on the formula of this. If 1 by 2 is something, 1 by 2 is there, I think. Okay, so this is the formula for directly deriving. In this problem, one of the application is this one. Means the main origin is problem is this one only. The main origin problem is this one only. From this one, this is the one of the origin problem. Sometimes you can be changing the symbol up and down. Plus minus minus plus, but same concept. So what is that means? You are going to discuss the simplification solution. Y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x square. Okay. See, starting only I said that the substitution method. 1 plus x square means substitution x is equal to tan theta. 1 minus x square means substitution x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. But in one problem you cannot be taken the two substitution at a time. Okay, what means? While you can go into the substitution, for every x value you need to substitution one substitution only. But here x is equal to tan theta, it is x is equal to sin theta, then only it is simplified. Now you need to find a substitution which can be satisfied the everywhere. Which can be satisfied the everywhere. So for that purpose only According to the problem, this problem, the origin problem, what is that given? Here, what is that x power of n? This x power of n only you need to consider as a substitution. Means here x power of n is substitution is equal to cos 2 theta or cos theta. The origin problem substitution. So here what is that? X square is there. So I need to substitution. Put x square is equal to cos theta. What I say you can understand clearly. What is the main origin problem? X power of n is given means x. Suppose it is x cube is given, then take that x cube is equal to cos theta. If it is given x power of 4, then x power of 4 is equal to cos theta. If it is given x, then x is equal to cos theta. What the function is given in this place, the common function. See, everywhere is the common function. That only you need to substitution. So it implies theta is equal to cos inverse of x square. Theta is equal to cos inverse. Go for this substitution. Y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus cos theta plus root over 1 minus cos theta by root over 1 plus cos theta minus root over 1 minus cos theta. Okay. The most of students doing the problem mistake, what is that means? Here they are taking that x is equal to cos theta. Instead of x square is equal to cos theta, they are writing that was x is equal to cos theta. Again here they written 1 plus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, but apply the formula. Very wrong. They thought that was the problem is right, answer I got it. But here only you did the mistake, so completely the problem is wrong. First of all, what is the origin function is there? X square means you need to take that x square is equal to cos theta, not x is equal to cos theta. So this is the formula, you know that tan inverse of root over 1 plus cos theta is equal to root over 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2 plus root over 2 sin square theta by 2 by root over 2 cos square theta by 2 minus root over 2 sin square theta by 2. Root cancellation means what you can get in that type? Y is equal to tan inverse of root 2 into cos theta by 2 plus root 2 into sin theta by 2 by root 2 into cos theta by 2 minus root 2 into sin theta by 2. In every time root 2 is there cancelled. By simplification method already we simplify this problem. What is that? If the numerator and denominator is combination of the sin and cos, then you need to divide it with cos. So y is equal to tan inverse of cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 whole by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So finally you can get in y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of, this is the formula, tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Both can be cancelled. You can get in the class y is equal to pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So y is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into theta is equal to cos inverse of x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to pi by 4 derivative 0 plus 1 by 2 into, it is a composite function. First function is cos inverse and second function is x square. So 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole square into d by dx of x square. That is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x power of minus 1 x power of 4 into 2x. 2 to cancel. Minus x by root over 1 minus x power of 4. This is the answer is that one. So here what is the answer? This is the means that directly this answer is d by dx is n into x to the power of n minus 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x power of 2n. Very most important questions. This question is very most important for both competitive, CBSE, CHSE and ICSE. Everywhere this is a very important questions. Because this is the question you can be converted into the finite number of methods. See here plus minus, minus plus, you can be changing both. Otherwise in the place of x square you can give that x one question. In the place of x square, if you give it x cube, one question will be coming. Like that, lot of questions you can be derived in us. Okay. So these are the questions which is related to the in substitution method and simplification method. So your homework is you need to substitution 7E exercise again 7K exercise 6th main. 7E exercise and 7K exercise 6th main. If both the 7E exercise is the questions which is related to the substitution method. 7E exercise is related to the substitution method, and 7K 6th main is the problems which is related to the substitution method, simplification method and chain rule. These are the two questions. 7E is the exercise which is related to the substitution method questions, and 7K exercise is related to the substitution, chain rule and simplification method. So both questions you can be simplified. If you have any doubt, you can just WhatsApp to me. Then I can tomorrow class I can be explain. Otherwise, in the WhatsApp only I can give the solution to you. Thank you.